How's it going? This is my 2012 Ford F150 XLT. This grill modification will work from 2009 to 2014. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to take off the grill and then how I added the new one on. So the first step you want to do is take off these nuts that are on the very top side. And all there is to take off is 6 of these bolts from the top. And on the bottom, you have 6 other screws with permanent washers. I save them because I reuse them. You don't have to, since the package comes with its own screws to replace them. Now, once you remove all 6 bottom screws, watch out for that bar that hit my ankle. That hurt, big bruise, let me tell you. And I got this little crowbar. I use something really soft so I don't have to, dent or scratch any of my hood metal. So I just wedged it in between and pulled, and there is 5 of them to take off. And that's how easy it is to remove the whole grill. And most likely you're gonna have lots of dirt underneath the old grill, so you definitely wanna clean that. Don't be lazy, just take it all off. And now unboxing the grill package. You can see there's a box, the screws, open a little box which contains the F and R and the hardware. You can see F and R. And up close you can see that it is a matte finish, but it's rough, but definitely sturdy and strong. And now I'm going to work on the back side. As you can see, there's 4 screws for each letter. So take them all off. But you can see there's the front side. Now it's missing. The R letter is definitely the easiest one to put on. And the Ford was a little bit trickier, but you got to work from the front to back until you line it up. And then voila! It's nicely matched up, looks good. I'm excited to get this next step going. Now the bag with screws. You can replace everything you took off the old grill, but if you remember I wanted to keep the old ones with the washers, I have to do less work and it's easier and it just, works. It's pretty much the same thing. So I use the old ones, your choice. Now the wiring kit. Just to quickly show you, they are plug and play, and this is a pre-setup of how I'm going to tuck them in when I'm going to install the grill. Now these 2 loose clips, you're going to have to make sure you didn't lose them and slide them into these little slots, just like the other ones are already pre-installed. Once you got that ready, you can see your truck has old ones in there. You want to take them out, they are useless. Once you have them removed, bring up the grill right up to it, line them up to the holes, and I'm going to move the camera closer. You can see there's a gap and it's not pressed in or anything, but there's the clips. The clips are all lining up to the hole and the wires are all out of the way so it doesn't create a bulge or anything to not let me slide it in. So now I'm just going to clip all 5 and I'm making sure that the cables aren't being pinched and or in the way, and just 5 clips. It doesn't take too much force to clip them in, and you're done with the clips. Now the next part, what I did is get ready for the bar that fell on my ankle. Now I am going to put the ones that actually strip onto the frame. Now, the next thing after that, you want to put these screws that I kept, the old ones, and I'm just going to put them in to get ready to hold the grill into place. So that's going to make it all sturdy. Now going back to the bag, all you need is 6 bolts out of that, and you're going to put them on each end that you lined up to get the grill in. You can see there's 6 of them there. For now, the red and black cable is going to be moved out of the way. I'll install that later. Just got to get back to tightening those 6 bolts. And those last 6 bolts completed your grill installation minus the lights. Super flush, nice looking, and it started thundering on me. I think it looks way more aggressive. And of course, the before and after pics. Here is the before the lights, before the grill, and this is what it looks like with my upgrades right now. Find it all in the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Later.